Welcome to Orem Transfers, Jamaica's premier choice for luxury airport transfers and chauffeur services. We pride ourselves on delivering a first-class experience from the moment you land to the moment you reach your destination. Our mission is simple: to provide reliable, comfortable, and stress-free transportation with a touch of luxury. Booking your ride is effortless. Visit oremtransfers.com to explore our range of services and choose from our fleet of executive sedans and premium SUVs. Our user-friendly website makes it easy to customize your trip, whether you need a one-way transfer, round trip, or hourly service. With our secure online payment options, you can book with confidence, knowing that your information is protected. At Orem Transfers, we understand that time is valuable. That's why we offer flexible scheduling options designed to accommodate your busy lifestyle. Our professional chauffeurs are trained to provide a seamless experience, whether you're traveling for business, heading to a special event, or simply exploring the beauty of Jamaica. Our fleet is a reflection of our commitment to excellence. Choose from a selection of executive sedans for a refined ride, or opt for our premium SUVs if you need extra space and luxury. Every vehicle in our fleet is meticulously maintained and fully equipped with amenities like free Wi-Fi, USB charging ports, dual-zone climate control, and leather interiors to enhance your comfort. Safety is our top priority. All our vehicles are thoroughly sanitized and inspected before each ride. Our chauffeurs undergo rigorous training and background checks to ensure a safe and secure journey. Additionally, we offer customizable booking extras like child seats, additional stops, and special accommodations to make your travel experience even smoother. Planning a special occasion? We specialize in providing luxury transportation for weddings, corporate events, and private tours. Impress your guests with our top-tier service and arrive in style, no matter the occasion. Our corporate clients also benefit from tailored travel solutions, priority bookings, and detailed billing options for a hassle-free experience. Don't just take our word for it. Our clients speak for themselves. Here's what one of our satisfied customers had to say. Our customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any inquiries, changes to your booking, or last-minute requests. You can reach us via phone, email, or live chat directly through our website. Travel with confidence. Travel with Aurum.